Hey everybody, hope everyone's doing well out there. Hey, just wanted to put this out here so everybody understands what's going on when you see 1225 out here on my layout. We're going to be supporting something called Operation Christmas Rush 2023. Seems the guy up north has sent out a request to see if we can provide some transport for some elves. He's also asked for 3 empty box cars and a ton of chocolate. We looked around to see what we could do. We were able to scrounge up a couple of passenger cars from Amtrak. We got the 3 empty box cars, and Nestle was gracious enough to provide us with a ton of chocolate. 1225 is going to be running this mission back and forth over the next few days, as we get closer and closer to Christmas. So, if you see 1225 out on the layout, just know she's supporting Operation Christmas Rush 2023.